When Rahm Emanuel takes office on May 16th, he hopes to have a new education team in place. Today, he announced his choice to lead the Chicago Public Schools. Jean-Claude Brizard currently runs the schools in Rochester, New York, but he's asking to get out of his contract there. More from political reporter Marianne Ahern.
Mayor-elect Rahm Emanuel's choice to lead the Chicago Public Schools, Jean-Claude Brizard, also known as JC, currently the head of the schools in Rochester, New York.
I'm proud to join the team of individuals who will strive to improve the lives of Chicagoans each day. I ask that you stand with us.
Brizard, nearly 3 years in Rochester, the majority of his career, though, spent in New York City as a regional superintendent, a principal, and a high school science teacher.
We know that improving teacher preparation and effectiveness, giving principals a leverage and holding them accountable, and most of all, making our parents true partners will greatly improve the educational lives of our children.
Not only does the mayor-elect name a new team to lead the Chicago Public Schools, he also announces an entire new school board as well.
I interviewed every one of the people on this new board.
The new board includes Henry Beenan, the former president of Northwestern University, Andrea Zopp with the Chicago Urban League, Penny Pritzker, and Mahalia Hines, a former school principal and the mother of the rapper Common. The Chicago Teachers Union isn't happy with the appointment, as Brizard recently received a no-confidence vote from the Rochester teachers.
If Mr. Brizard is going to be successful in Chicago, he'll have to recognize that this is a partnership, that there are many voices and that they all matter.
However, charter school leaders give the new team high marks.
He's been on the front line and knows what it means to deliver education to kids every day, which by and large is the hardest job.
For today's big announcement, Emanuel took all of the questions, saying Brizard's turn is another day.
I'll do the answering.
Marianne Ahern, NBC5 News.